In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi engine. The filter is located underneath the hood on the passenger side or right hand side of the vehicle in the airbox. Let's get started. To pop the top of the airbox open, there's just 4 metal clips that you have to pry at. Just pop them away. And one on the back. There are tabs on that side that lock in the top, so you have to push it away and up at the same time. Once you lift this up, you can remove your air filter. If there's a lot of debris down there, you're going to want to clean it up with a vacuum. Mine's looking pretty good, so I'm just going to install a new air filter. Grab your new air filter, drop it down in place. Make sure you put it the right way, not upside down, so this metal mesh, the grill, has to sit on the top. And then make sure the gasket that goes all around is seated into its groove. The tabs on this side will then have to line up with the top cover. So once you set it down, push it in and then let it kind of push itself back into position. If it's not lined up, that means the tabs aren't hooked in. This falls down into place perfectly, so I'm going to hook it back onto the clips, move it around if necessary. And the last one. So at this point, this is secure. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.